In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a poster in Canva. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is open up Canva. This can be on any browser of your choice, but for now, we're going to be using Google Chrome. From here, you can actually make a bunch of things for different things like whiteboard, presentation, social media, photo editor, video, print, website, and a lot more. You can even upload assets if you want to as well. But we're going to be on social media, and let's say we want to make an Instagram post. It's going to open up a new tab with an Instagram post, and from here you can actually, customize something. If you see a template that you like, you can really just change anything you want. So for example, let's just do this one right here, right? And it's going to basically allow you to customize each and everything. So you have the background, you can add things to it. It's going to open up. And if you really honestly just don't like anything, but you want to keep the text, if you wanted to, you can just remove it by pressing the backspace key. And then obviously, since the text is white, it's still here, but then you can just change the color if you want to. But we're going to undo and bring it back over here. And from here, you can edit the text to whatever you want. So let's say I wanted to tell people to like and subscribe, and I could also change the subtext as well. So I can just let people know to make sure to follow, which is something that you should be doing. And also there are so many different things that you can add to a poster. For example, if you want to choose any certain elements, any audio, or you can even generate images using AI if you wanted to. But there are so many different things that you can scroll through and add. If you wanted a certain type of text, you could do that as well, and also combine different fonts. So let's say we wanted to do something with this, right? Well, we can scale it down and we can customize it to whatever we want. So it fits. So let's say we want to do like 120, and there you go. Simple as that. There are so many tools that you can use as well, like drawing, shapes, lines, sticky notes, text, and even tables if you wanted to ever make a graph or anything like that. And also, if you're working for a brand or a company and you're in the marketing team, you can also have a brand kit. So you can have specific colors, logos, and then you can easily make posters and templates using your brand kits. And you can start with 3 free colors, but if you have the premium plan, you can, have a lot of really good brand consistency and make a lot of templates that you can use for your daily posts, whether it's on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, or really any social media.